Hey guys, and welcome to Cigar Box. Today we have another unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the Hoyo De Monterrey Double Corona, which is a very large cigar. And as it states on the box, this is from the Vuelta Abajo region in Cuba, which is where a lot of cigars like Sancho Panza and Hoyo De Monterrey grow. Tobacco is from there. And this box is from April 2024, which means it's still fresh, and therefore we're going to give it some time. Now, with that being said, I'm not going to lie to say that I actually did try one, because I was very curious to see what they're like. I think they're obviously very light, very not full bodied. They feel like they're more like light body, and a very enjoyable cigar to smoke. If you want a light smoke but definitely a long smoke, this cigar is probably around an hour and a half to 2 hours smoking time. Let's open this up and have a look. Again, like I always mention, these are EMS, English Market Selection. Importers are Hunters and Francow, which we've mentioned before on this channel. And there you have them. Now, this band is not a regular band. This band is specifically only for the Double Corona. Now, the Double Corona come in this version, and they also come in a Gran Cosecha, I hope I'm saying that right, which means an aged from Cuba version, which are limited numbers, and they're very expensive. I'm not saying these are any cheap by any means. These are around 70 or 80 pounds in the UK per cigar, but the Gran Cosecha are very special. Never had them before, but these are just absolutely magnificent. And like I said, light, enjoyable to smoke. If you want a long morning or afternoon smoke, definitely not a cigar that I would recommend after a heavy meal. I find that those should be something more like a Cohiba or a Monte Cristo or Partagas or Bolivar. These are light cigars, and therefore are just, if you want a long, enjoyable smoke, this is definitely it. I've seen actually DJ Khaled smoke a lot of these on his Instagram. I don't necessarily think that he's a cigar smoker. I just found that a lot of the people who try and show off when they smoke, they use these cigars because they look so impressive and so unique and different, and not like anything else that we've seen before, like the Cohibas or the Monte Cristos. Anyways, if you guys like this video, please like, share and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.